Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Saran and I share all the tips and bits about my life and my journey to NHS. And today I'm here with an update regarding the PLAB 1 examination. So without further ado, I'll directly like to jump into the topic. So as you can see in this screen, that the GMC has officially tweeted that they are going to release the PLAB 1 places for early 2024. So yeah, so if you are someone who is waiting for a PLAB 1 seat, or this is the very exciting news for PLAB 1 aspirants. So if you really like waiting for PLAB 1 seat, this is the wonderful opportunity to get yourself a PLAB 1 examination place to sit. And yeah, they have decided the date. It's on 24th June 2023, on Saturday, that they are going to release the PLAB 1 places. And this places is for 15th February 2024 and 23 May 2024. So they have clearly mentioned that this is this release of the places will be for February and May of 2024, and they will be releasing on 24th June 2023. Next thing I like you to run through is this website, and I'll be giving you a link of this website, but you need to be aware that where to look the information regarding all these. And this is the official GMC website. So they have a section for a PLAB 1 guide. So if you go and look on that page, I'll also be providing the link. You can see all the details that is required for a PLAB 1 candidates. They have stated everything what you should do when they are releasing the PLAB 1 seat and everything. So as you can see here, they will be releasing the seat on this date, that is 24th June 2023, for the seat of early 2024, that is February and May of 2024. So you should be able to book your places on 24th June 2023. That brings to the next question that a lot of candidates and PLAB 1 aspirants asked me is, when should we provide the English language test evidence? So that is also mentioned over here. So if you look on this screen, that they have clearly mentioned that you must be providing them English language evidence by the midnight of 15th June 2023. So you should be submitting your IELTS or be OET score to the GMC by 15th June 2023. Then only you will be able to book the PLAB 1 examination. And make sure whenever you provide all this English language evidence, you should be make sure that all the details, date of birth, your name and your score that you have provided on the GMC online, it's similar in your English language test dashboard as well. So make sure all the information are correct. And if you are providing a OET score, then what you need to do is you need to give the GMC permission to view your result in your OET. So how to give a verifier access, I've already made a video, and there are a lot of videos regarding how to book the PLAB 1 examination and how to fill the billing information. Make sure that you have gone through all the playlist, all the videos before you ask any question. I bet you, and I promise you, it will be very beneficial for all of you. And also in this website, they have mentioned paying for the places. How do you pay for the places? They have given all the information and booking confirmation email, when you get all the booking confirmation email and everything. So you just go and read through this page. This is very important, and I'll be giving link down in the description. You can click on that link, or you can manually go and check on their website. So having said that, thank you so much for watching this video, and for today this is it. And there are a lot of informative video regarding my journey and my experience will be coming up. Stay tuned, and I hope this video would be helpful to many of you who are waiting for a PLAB 1 examination. And for more updates, I'll be definitely uh, uploading all the videos if anything relevant coming up. And thank you so much for watching, and if you have any queries, question, just put them in the comments, or you can directly mail me. um, and having said that, see you in the next video. Have a good day.